of Allah, dear friends, welcome to another GIS and the most thing YouTube channel tutorials. Uh, Nowadays, we'll talk about image change workflow. This is the change detections. We want to make a change detection map uh, by the name of image change workflow. We use ENVI5.6 version for change detection, especially for image change workflow. This image change workflow is divided in two methods. The first method is image difference. The image difference is include difference of input band. In this method, we will introduce a band. Which band 1, 2, 3, or 4? Any bands you want should introduce for this method. The second is difference of feature index. In this method, we should introduce index like in the VI, in the WI, any index you should introduce. The second is spectral angle difference. This is the method that will be mapped the change detection by spectral angle. Okay. The second method is image transform. This image transform is divided two parts. Should be use PCA method, should use MNA method, and also this is Abdul Ghayush Kori, GIS and remote sensing analyzer. Any questions, suggestions, you should contact with these um, social way. And also you should friends subscribe the channel with and also share the video with your friends, and also for supporting us don't forget to like the channels. Okay friends, now come to ENVI softwares. At first in data manager we should open the image. We use two images after tsunami and before tsunami. This is two image should be open. First one is before tsunami, the second one is after tsunami. Here you should clearly see this is the image. If I didn't, if I um, this ones, you should clearly watch the changes. Okay, friends. In the toolbox, please write image double click on this. This is the okay. In the input files, time one files, the in the time one file you should select before tsunami image. Okay, the second one is should be browse after tsunami image. Okay, then next. Okay, this is the image restoration. As you know, the before image and after tsunami image, the same image is captured by the one sensor, one satellite. If the sensors or the satellite is different, we should use register image automatically. Now we use escape image restorations. Click next. In here we offer two method. At first we use image difference. Click on the next. Here is a tree method, difference of input method. Which bond should be more affected in the tsunami? In here, as you seen, when the water is a flow, tsunami is a flow, and they will destroy more agriculture and building area. In here, we should use band for it. It is the NIR band. Then click on the next. In here, if you use if you want to have the only image, difference image only, you should click on export. Now we want to apply a thresholding. For applying thresholding, click on next. In here is which parameter you want to extract. Increase and decrease, only decrease. Now I want to increase and decrease. Which thresholding method? Couplers methods, methods, which one? I use methods. Click on the next. Then the smoothing, the aggregation is the default. Should be default, and also if you want to change, please then. After this, in here, export change classes. We should output file name. The output file name is here by the name of image workflow 1. Export change classes vector. If you want to have a shape files, please tick on. I don't want this. Just finish. Okay. The analyzing for this classes I untake unclassified others. In here we have a two data in here. The red one is big decreases and the blue is big increasing. In here as you see more changes in here scan, and clearly you should see. Again, click on image change workflow. Time one file is should be before Tsunami. Okay, the time due file is should be after Tsunami. Okay, then click on the next. The image registration is should be escape. Click on the next. Image difference next. We in here we use difference of feature index. Which feature you want to use, or which index do you want to use? NDVI or NDWI? We use NDVI. Click on the next. Take some minutes, depend on your PC ability. Applying thresholding. Next. Increase decrease is default. Already I have described. Click on next. Again next. Okay. IDW. And as you see in here, the red one is more big decrease, the blue is more big increase. In here you should clearly know the changes. If you want to this IDW is overlapping on the Tsunami after, you should more know about the changes where more water is defecting on the agriculture area, defecting on the building area. Again, come to image change workflow for third method. Before Tsunami, after Tsunami. Next, the image registration should be escape. Click on next. Image difference. Click on next. Again, spectral angle. Spectral angle differences. Click on next. It should be a map by the reflection from the image. Applying thresholding. In here we don't have any selected change interesting. Just click on next. Smoothing should be same next. Shuffle should be antique in here, and the name should be IDW3. The layer manager here the yellow part is more change, more big changes. In here is more big changes. Again, come to image workflow for second methods. Browse file before Tsunami. Time do is after Tsunami. Just click on next. Next. Image transform is the second part. In here you should know about the select image transform, which method PCA, MNA, ICA, which method should be used for extracting the change detection. As in my experience, the PCA is more accurate and have a best result. Because of this, in this method I use PCA. Click on the next. Which band more affected? Band 4 is more affected. Uh, the output file name should be idw4. On finish. More brightness part is more changes. More changes. Also the image change workflow. The time one file should be before Tsunami image I selected. The time two file should be select the after Tsunami image. Then click on next. The image registration should be escape. Image transform. The second method should be used, should be selected by the name of MNF. Click on next. Select band to reflect change. Band 4. Click on next. The output file by the name of idw5. Then finish. In the layer manager, if the more brightness part is those changes that affected by the tsunami when tsunami happened. Okay, friends, this is the 5 method that I shared with you. Uh, any any method have a 5 method have 5 different 5 different result. Okay, any method have any result. But if you want to make a more accurate result, uh, at first you should use more any image pre-processing and also done more done and processing the 5 Ds image detection, and also you should be uh, you should be compare like this is the tsunami. This image is after tsunami, but this IDW is the first method. You should in here which one is more accurate. I think IDW1 is less accurate, but the IDW2 or feature indexes is here is more accurate, and also the IDW3 spectral difference should be more accurate in here. IDW4 it is PCA is more accurate. You should after dunning and processing the more commands, more workflow, you should decide which one is more accurate, and also you should export the shape files and calculate the area, and also you should make more deciding which command is more accurate, which one is more based, have a good map. Uh, okay, friends, thank you so much for your attention. Uh, uh, for any questions, suggestion, don't forget to contact these ways. And also, if you want to more uh, scientific videos and the most interesting tutorials, don't forget to click on the subscribe buttons, and also you should share the videos with your friends. And for supporting us, don't forget to click on the like button. Thank you so much. See you.